So, Rajdeep, the man of the moment in many ways. Of course, we'll be waiting for Devendra Fadnavis to address the Karyakartas of the BJP. That will happen any moment now. So it is these two who have stolen the thunder, but it is BJP which is the king.
Exactly. You see, the BJP has done very well, Maria, across Maharashtra, not just Mumbai. But when I look at the Mumbai numbers, and this is after we came out, Uddhav Thackeray hasn't done badly at all. His vote percentage is more or less the same. He won 84 seats as a United Sena last time. When I looked at the numbers last, he's at about 70 odd seats on his own. So he has wherever he's directly contested, especially in the Sena heartland areas of Mumbai, he's given more than a fight. MNS has fallen behind of Raj Thackeray, and you could argue, therefore, that among the traditional Maharashtrian middle class voters of Mumbai, Uddhav Thackeray is still possibly seen as the leader of the Shiv Sena. Moment you go beyond that, Eknath Shinde has established himself in Thane, Kalyan, Dombivli. And it's interesting, every time you ask them the question, Kaun banega mayor, they say Mahayuti. They don't say, in an ideal world, what they would like is 2.5 years, 2.5 years. I don't think the BJP is going to concede that. The BJP is not the Congress there. But I think it's interesting to see how Mumbai's Maharashtrians have voted, and whether having Raj Thackeray, is it a liability or an asset for the Shiv Sena UBT? Because suppose they had the Congress instead of Raj Thackeray, could they have got a wider vote? This, of course, is for the future. But Eknath Shinde has shown, Maria, that he is the first successful Shiv Sainik to break with the Shiv Sena and become a sort of independent entity of his own.
Was it because the Thackerays, Uddhav Thackeray here, was largely seen as inaccessible? And here is the man who is the real Shiv Sena. As he said कि मैं कितने बार ये debate settle करूं, when you asked that question to him, कि ये तो मैंने debates पहले ही settle कर दिया, because when he was the chief minister, Rajdeep, that chief minister's office was open till 2 a.m., 3 a.m. for everyone.
That's right. I interviewed him once. I remember at 5 a.m. in the morning, and there were about 100 people waiting to just shake his hand. Look, he's been a more accessible Shiv Sena leader. His office is like a shakha in a way, but he still carries among the core Shiv Sena supporters a sense कि आपने ठाकरेओं को दगा दिया. वो है वो, it has not entirely gone. That Gaddar feeling has not gone among the core Maharashtrian middle class voters. What Eknath Shinde has successfully done is is in his own base of Thane strengthened himself and used the BJP to legitimize himself. So in Aurangabad, for example, he's done very well. So wherever you go beyond Mumbai, I think Eknath Shinde, being more resourceful, more accessible, has given him a strong platform to build for the future. But I think he didn't answer that question. He's not anymore in that chief ministerial race. I think today the big winner is Devendra Fadnavis.
And the Shinde Sena is also not appearing to be confrontationist. They have accepted the role that the BJP is the big brother and they have to be number two in Maharashtra.
With one or two exceptions, there were clashes in Kalyan, Dombivli between the two workers, and Ambarnath, where there was a tug of war as to who will get the mayor's post. You see, where Shrikant Shinde, that is Mr. Shinde's son, he's the MP from Kalyan, Dombivli. Thane, Kalyan, Dombivli, Eknath Shinde wants to see as his fortress. The BJP has been breaching it slowly. So there is tension. But beyond that, I think Eknath Shinde has more or less accepted that I have to go along with the BJP.
All right, Rajdeep, thank you so much. So, Rajdeep, there speaking to Eknath Shinde, and the big news point that he certainly that he gave was that as far as the mayor's chair or the mayor's post is concerned, it will be of Mahayuti. Playing it safe, understanding fully well that it is BJP which has been instrumental in ensuring that this BMC election is won.
That's right.
Besides that, a pan Maharashtra victory for the Mahayuti has been in many ways scripted by the BJP.
That's right. Maria, you pointed out interestingly that at least the tone and tenor wasn't really that of confrontation, in a way, an acceptance that BJP really is the big brother in this alliance, and there will not be any struggle. Little bit of a heartburn maybe, but I think the mayor question in that sense for Mumbai is settled here, isn't it? Because that's something that's going to be deliberated upon perhaps for the next few days.
Yes, I don't think the BJP will be giving up the mayor's chair. Because if you look at it, Sneha, this entire campaign was for the BJP fought in the face of Devendra Fadnavis.
Yes.
That Mr. Fadnavis is the infra man, that he is acceptable to an aspirational class, the youth or the yuva of Maharashtra. And the reason why he was seen as affable or likable leader was that he was, while there was this sense of reaching out to the non-Marathis, that is the North Indians, the South Indians, I would say the North Indians in particular, who were seen as the builders of the new Maharashtra, the sense certainly was that here is a leader that, that Maharashtra believes who can take them to the next leap, that the generational shift has happened in the BJP in Maharashtra. The acceptability of Devendra Fadnavis cannot be ruled out. And I would say the man of the moment, Devendra Fadnavis, is yet to speak, and we'll be waiting and watching out for what he has to say. But he has managed to navigate the treacherous alliances very carefully, forging careful candidate selection in across Maharashtra, campaigning extensively, the big, sabhas, including small meetings. All that has been about the BJP machinery. I've been speaking about the organizational strength of the party. As a journalist who has covered this party for close to 20 years now, Sneha, you sense that here is the party which has fire in the belly. That if they fight their election, they fight it like there is no tomorrow. And then they also believe in consolidating their gains. So while they win states or win elections, they also take leave no election to chance. They
Yes.
do not also believe that anything can be left for future. So it is about today, and today it has to be done well, is the sense that you get from among the BJP leaders, be it the local body elections or assembly elections, and of course the big Lok Sabha elections. The BJP gives its total might. They go with full preparation, and then we see results of this nature.
That's right. Maria, before I go across to our colleagues from Mumbai city, tracking that big story from ground zero, we are also on standby for celebrations at the BJP headquarters where the Chief Minister is expected. I also want you to weigh in on this. The very fact that this was, at the face of it, civic body elections. But this has huge ramifications, isn't it, as far as the NDA is concerned, the Mahayuti is concerned. Of course, for the MBA as well, a huge setback. The Thackeray's losing their citadel for, for what, close to 30 years or so. It has a ripple effect just beyond, just being civic elections, isn't it?
Yes, and undoubtedly, Sneha, and this is coming in the back of massive success for the BJP in the state of Bihar, where they swept the state election with a similar mandate that Nitish Kumar led NDA won in 2010. So with that kind of mandate, the BJP certainly realizes that they have responsibility, that they understand that every election has to be fought to be won. They have the momentum on their side. And then there are crucial state elections which are scheduled for another 2 months from now. So the message that is coming here is that the BJP is giving its all. As far as national ramifications are concerned, yes, in many ways it will be seen as the rejection of the dynasty politics. Look at the Thackeray's. They have ruled in many ways, have had complete control of BMC for the last 30 years. That control is gone now. Where do the Thackeray's go from here on? As Rajdeep was pointing out, that Uddhav Thackeray in his pockets, where he has fought the elections, his party appears to be more acceptable than that of MNS. So MNS hasn't really been a force multiplier. The sense was that if the two cousins come together, it will be a double effort that will be put out. It will be more sympathy, more brand recall of the Thackeray's. That is not there. So I would see this as a rejection of Parivarwad as well. If you look at the Pawars,
Yes.
the uncle and the nephew, what has happened in the entire Pune belt, there is a rejection
We'll
of
continue, in fact, Maria,
Yes.
that conversation in a moment from now. I'm going to, in fact, come back to you, but be with us. Going across now to my colleagues, Vidya is with us. I'm going to get an update from Vidya also on how on the celebrations at this point in time. Mustafa also from Ground Zero telling us about the mood there really. The mood, of course, for change clearly visible, Vidya, isn't it? The Mahayuti with that stupendous victory, as all trends indicate at this point in time, Mumbai has voted and has indicated that they really want a change this time around.
Well, I'm right now at Balasaheb Bhavan, which is the headquarters of the Eknath Shinde
Yes.
faction. They just had a whole lot of celebrations where they burst crackers, had all kinds of sweets. But of course, they're refusing to accept the fact that, when they had actually taken in about 60 corporators from the original Shiv Sena, and yet they have managed only about 30, they still say that it is a win for them, even though they are riding the wave of the BJP, but they still feel. And right now, if I can just show you, the BJP head office is right next door. You can see the BJP flags way larger in number, only except this particular portion of the Balasaheb Bhavan, where you can really see just a few flags of the Shiv Sena actually being flying high. However, the party spirits are high. They're waiting for their party leader to come from Thane, leave the bastion at Thane and reach here so that the celebrations can catch on a little more further excitement.
Will absolutely be with us, getting a word really from Mustafa also for more on that story. Mustafa, tell us, where are you at this point in time as the Mahayuti celebrates today, of course, a moment of reflection for the MBA in totality also, as they fought these elections completely fractured, split, and a big disappointment there for Thackeray's, isn't it?
Well, first it was local elections, so it was assumed that all parties will fight on their own to show their own strength. And remember, if you're talking about Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde doing very well, we should also look at their performances where they have fought against the BJP. They have suffered the same fate as the opposition. Thirdly, Shiv Sena UBT fought this election in Mumbai against two national parties. It fought for Muslim votes against Congress. It fought for other votes against the BJP and has been able to get a sizable chunk of votes. The seats are yet to be decided. Yes, the BJP Mahayuti are the winner for the BMC, but it's not a complete wash for the Thackeray's. It is true that they have been limited now to their presence in Mumbai. But yes, Uddhav Thackeray, Raj Thackeray coming together have had some impact. They have been able to, gain a considerable amount of ground. If they would have been supported by a stronger player like Congress doing much better, or MNS doing better than it was expected, then they would have also been in the play to form the government. But as the numbers come in, it's becoming clear that the Thackeray brothers or Uddhav Thackeray mainly will not be having control of the BMC. It raises a lot of questions of how the party will run and without power, and also whether the regional parties in Maharashtra are coming to a standstill as opposed to the juggernaut of the BJP. But remember, the question people will also be asking is that whether BJP will need any of its alliance which exists today in 2029, given that they have been performing well and doing much better than their alliance partners, and the need for them to have a like Ajit Pawar for the Western Maharashtra or Pune, or Shinde like the Maratha belt of Maharashtra. Will that need be also there in 3.5 years down the line is also a very relevant question for the alliances of the BJP to ask back to.
Mustafa Sheikh with those details, joining us from Matashri in Mumbai. Omkar continues to be with us from Nariman Point at the BJP office, where we are going to be soon seeing the Chief Minister as well, really the man at the moment at this point in time, being credited with leading that stupendous victory for the Mahayuti. Omkar. Ritwik, in fact, that question was to you, Ritwik.
Yes, absolutely. I am at the BJP headquarters in Mumbai right now, and at any point of time from now onwards, CM Devendra Fadnavis is expected to come here. Huge celebrations are planned, and all the party workers, all the office bearers, and senior leaders and ministers are also coming to BJP headquarters right now. We just saw Minister Pankaja Munde arriving here. Minister Mangal Prabhat Loda also came in. And BJP State President Rabindra Chavan is also expected because after he was inducted as the BJP State President, this was the first big elections which BJP fought, and as we all are watching, they are winning with huge numbers, with clean sweep, and the much awaited BMC poll results are out now, and after 30 years, BJP without Thackeray's is going to claim BMC. So the stage is set, as you can see behind me. The stage is set with flowers, garlands, BJP flags, and we can also see a poster here which clearly takes a jibe at Thackeray brand. It says that in Marathi, if we see आता भ्रष्टाचाराच्या विळख्यातून मुंबई घेणार मुक्त श्वास, which means that BJP will get a sigh of relief, and also Mumbaikars from the corruption which was there in BMC for last few years. And it also says that only the one who serves Mumbai will be the corporator of Mumbai, and not anyone with brand will rule Mumbai. So indirect jibe at Thackeray, and we can see BJP party workers all gathered here with saying that Mumbai sa Mahapaur Hindu Marathis. So we can see placards here. This was the main issue of the campaign, as Thackeray's claim that only Marathi can be the mayor of Mumbai. But the placards here, we can see they are saying that Dhurandhar Devendra ji. Here again, a new placard with, Dhurandhar, a new movie, a hit, a bigger hit, saying that Devendra Fadnavis is the Dhurandhar of Mumbai. And